Android phone or tablet. Then grab any wired gaming controller. Most wireless controllers can also be wired. Then the most important part, the OTG cable. You can find these handy adapters on the internet for about £1. Then you want the cable that comes with your controller that you normally plug into the console. After that, plug the controller cable into the controller. Plug the USB end of the controller cable into the port on the OTG cable. Then plug the micro USB or the Type-C USB end of the OTG cable into your device. You will need a different OTG cable depending on your device. In this case, you want to press the PS button on the controller to activate the controller. As you can see, the controller actually works pretty well with the Android interface. Now let's test it on a game. As you can see, it works as if you're playing on a console. This allows you to record your screen without controls in the way. It also allows a better gaming experience overall. Now I'll show you a few more uses of the OTG cable. You can use a keyboard with your Android phone or tablet to give you a better typing experience. You can also use a mouse with your device. Thanks for watching, and that's the end of this video. The uses of an OTG cable don't stop there though. You can connect memory sticks and even USB fans to your phone. Anyway, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It will be greatly appreciated. Bye!